Hi, this is Martin from the Dougherty Garden. Today we're looking at the solitaire palm tree. As you can see, that one with the large cluster up the top is the one on the left. There's actually three. The one on the right with the bare top died about 2 years ago. I think I had nailed something in there so you can see the blackness on the base of the tree. I tried to hang a hanging plant over there, but apparently the solitaire palm tree is not prone to liking stuff hanging from it. But Mother Nature took care of it. I leave it up there and let it alone because apparently it's home to woodpecker families over the last couple of years. As you can see it, you'll hear a knocking noise, and the woodpeckers, like 3 or 4 holes up there. You can't see them on this side because the sun is on that side, so I don't want to get blinded. But meanwhile, these are 3. I planted a section of 3 over there. I planted a singular one over here. As you can see how tall and graceful they are. They grow straight up. Not as fast growing as the Washingtonia palm tree, but fair enough. Let me see if there's another one back here. There we go. A little clearer. There they are, you see. The 3, 1, 2, 3 solitaire palm trees. Nice little addition to your landscape. They're pretty popular in Florida. I was tracing them down. There's another palm tree, I forget the name of it, but I was confused when I first got it. I had that one. I had the seeds, but apparently it died over time. But this is a popular landscape palm tree, the solitaire palm tree. Have any comments about it? You can see the seed brack up there, and over here in the middle of the solitaire palm trees, that rather obtuse base is from a ponytail palm tree. I'll do a video on that one day too. Thank you for stopping by. Please like the video, make a comment. We're all ears.